Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about marketing for a local business using ChatGPT. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Do you know that you can use ChatGPT to help you market your business? Marketing for your local business is important as it can attract leads who can become your customers and purchase your products. It is essential to build a relationship between you and the customer. As users encounter ads, they are expecting to receive a response from the local business. ChatGPT has been increasing in popularity and more people are using it. It can generate answers to a user's question. Local businesses can benefit from using the chatbot as well. They can use it to generate ideas for their marketing strategies that can lead to generating more leads and an increase in sales. First, brainstorm ideas. You can ask the chatbot to generate a list of ideas that can benefit your local business. Now let's ask the chatbot to generate brainstorming ideas for promoting a new product. You can include details about your business, the industry it belongs to, your target audience, and the specific goals. Include as much information as you can about your goals and business details so that it can provide you with the necessary ideas that you need. Now you can see that it's generating a list of different brainstorming ideas. We can still ask the chatbot to provide more ideas by submitting this key phrase. Now it's creating another set of lists that is relevant to the previous query. Now copy the generated ideas on your Word document and you can use it as a reference. Next, generate SEO keywords for your niche. If you're creating content for your website, you need to know the top keywords that can help you optimize your blog posts. We need to provide details for the business niche or any topic that we want a chatbot to generate SEO keywords for. Let's use the same niche as bodybuilding supplements for a local business. Ask the chatbot to generate SEO keywords for a local business selling bodybuilding supplements, such as these types of products. It generated SEO keywords relevant to this niche. If you wanted to generate more keywords, you can submit another set of keyword phrases so that it will generate long-tail keywords. Now copy the entire SEO keywords generated here and paste them on your Word document. Next, create blog posts about your products. If you have a website, you can create blog posts that are relevant to your products. Ask the chatbot to generate a blog or an article that includes how your products can benefit your target customers. You can include the keywords generated from the previous searches. You need to provide the details of the product, features, benefits, and target audience that include the desired length. Now it's generating a blog post including a title for our product, and it includes all the features, benefits, and target audience that we have indicated in our submitted key phrase. Now copy and paste this blog content into our Word document. Next, create content on social media. Social media platforms are a great place to reach out to your niche market. Millions of users are viewing posts on social media to discover content and businesses that they can trust. You can ask the chatbot to create posts on your social media page. Just write keyword phrases and instruct the chatbot to generate a social media post, including the number of words and the topic. This will allow the chatbot to generate a specific post that you need. If you wanted to generate a different post, you can ask it to rephrase the post or just add specific keywords relevant to your promotions or instructions. Now copy and paste the generated post for your social media page on your Word document. Next, create ad copies. Using the chatbot, you can create ad copies to attract more people to create brand awareness. Just use this key phrase and it will generate a list of ad copies for this ad objective. This can help you save time as it gives you ideas for your marketing campaigns. So that's it for today's video. But before the video ends, here's something you shouldn't miss. If you need to rank at the top of the SERPs and drive organic traffic to any niche with the only SEO strategy that still works, we have a marketing app that can help you get leads using post influence. You can find tons of blogs and websites eager to post your articles. Get 100% organic do follow links. Use ranking sites and no bad players or dead blogs. Automated email and SMS reach out. The full details on the sites using rank, traffic, and more. Get the email and phone number of bloggers and influencers. Post influence gets you new traffic with hands-free ease. Get backlink and guest post automation with inbuilt marketplace. So try Post Influence now. Go to getpostinfluence.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.